Hello student. So we'll be going to our next lesson, that is third lesson, separation of substances. Separation of substances means what? Like separating. सेपरेट करना अभी इतना सिंपल वर्ड है तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू नीड एनी अदर वर्ड्स इंस्टेड ऑफ सेपरेशन. सेपरेट करना मीन्स कुछ तो भी निकाल के बाहर डाल देना या कुछ तो भी अलग करना. नाउ दस आई हैव जॉइन ओवर हैंड्स हियर. आई वांट टू सेपरेट माय बोथ द palms, लाइक आई हैव सेपरेटेड लाइक दिस वे. सो सेपरेशन ऑफ अ सब्सटेंसेस, कोई भी सब्सटेंस में से निकाल के बाहर डाल देना. सो सी स्टूडेंट्स, what all the things I am going to explain you in this lesson, that is here. First, as I have given the introduction of a lesson, separation of a substances. Now there are different types of methods of separation, right? Methods of separation, that is hand picking, winnowing, threshing, sieving, evaporation, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and next how use of more than one method of separation. What is the use of एक मेथड से भी ज़्यादा मेथड हम यूज़ करते हैं कुछ चीज़ सेपरेट करने के लिए, राइट? Solubility of substance in a water. How the substance gets soluble in water. This everything I am going to explain you in the lesson. Are you clear with that? You must have got the ideas कि हम इस पूरे लेसन में क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं. So coming to the introduction of a separation, come on your page number 27. There is a mixture and pure substances. Mixture means अगर आपके पास चावल है, right? You have got a plate of rice, right? Rice, not cooked one, rice, and with some of the sand or stones in it. So this is a mixture and आपको वो उसमें से जो पत्थर निकाल के बाहर डालना है to get a pure, पूरे राइस ही मिल जाए, उसमें पत्थर ना मिले. So this is a mixture and getting a pure substance. That is the difference between the mixture and the pure substance. Are you clear with this? Alright, next. Going to the how we need a method of separation. First we'll take and hand picking. What is hand picking? Hand picking, right? So student, as I have given the introduction, what all the things. So moving to the first topic, method of separation. Keep your textbook in front of your eye, that is the page number 29. In that one chart is given method of separation like as hand picking, winnowing, threshing and sieving. As I have told, see. Sieving, hand picking, threshing, winnowing. Like this, your chart is there, but I have written in a different way. But the same thing. First, we'll see the yellow part, right? Then we'll go to the pink and then blue. So, coming to the yellow part, as hand picking, as I have told you, hand pick means हाथ से निकाल के बाहर डालना. How? Can be used for separating slightly large sized impurities, but quantity cannot be large. आप हाथ से चुन रहे हो, हाथ से निकाल के कुछ चीज़ें बाहर फेंक रहे हो. Just I'll give you example of Maggi. There's a favorite one of yours, right? Not mine. So as you take a bowl of a Maggi, right? In that, if your mother put lots of vegetable in it, right? So most of us, we don't like vegetables. But in the before lesson, components of food I have explained you. So not to remove your vegetables from the bowl, but as we don't like it. So what you'll do, as soon as the bowl come in front of you, first you'll make the faces like this. Yeah. The Maggi, that is, you feel it is yummy. But the lot of vegetables make your facial expression something like, disturbing. What is this? So what you'll do? You'll just take your hands, with the use of your hands. You'll just remove those vegetables and put it in a nearby plate or throw it away with your hand. That means picking from here and putting here. That is removing whatever the things you don't want in that. That is the things which you don't want. So you remove it out with your hand picking. Till here you understand what is the hand picking? This. So you'll get the only stuff that is pure Maggi, not with lot of vegetables. This is the pure substance you get whatever you want it, right? Next, coming that is winnowing. Winnowing means what? Just see, can be used to separate heavier and lighter component from substances. See the page number, it is given. Winnowing means एक बड़ा सा आपने खेतों में देखा होगा, और you see to your mother also somewhat when she brings a grain, lot of grain, like bulk of grains are there, so you want to clean those, you want to remove those grain from the husk. जो भी छाफ होता है उसमें से वो ग्रेन्स बाहर निकालेंगे, बट उसमें तो है अभी पूरे उसका हस्क है, पूरा हस्क मीन्स ऊपर का जो कवर होता है, right? So what they do, like if your mother is standing on a stool पे खड़े रहेगी, फिर वो प्लेट में पूरा अनाज होगा वो लेगी और अपने शोल्डर साइज़ या साइड या फिर अपने हेड साइड पे वो प्लेट पकड़ के जैसे एयर ब्लो होती है उस डायरेक्शन में नीचे गिराएंगे, वो अनाज नीचे गिराएंगे, और जो लाइटर पार्ट होगा वो ग्रेन्स का, दैट विल ब्लू अवे विद द हेल्प ऑफ एयर, एंड वो बाजू में जाके गिरेगा, और जो हेवियर पार्ट है ग्रेन्स का वो नीचे गिरेगा. दिस प्रोसेस इज नथिंग बट विनोइंग, राइट? So for your understanding, see the page number 30, a lady with the grains, it's there, you can see that pictures, so you'll get a clear idea, right? Next, coming to the threshing. Threshing is like quite a pretty good word, right? Threshing means beating. So you can take example, if you will not do your homework on time, you'll say my teacher threshed me out, right? This is a very simple example. So beating the stalk on hard object. Threshing is done to separate the grains from stalk, right? जो भी आपका beating means जो आपका स्टॉक होता है, जो भी ग्रेन्स का स्टॉक होता है वो पकड़ के पूरा जो हार्ड पत्थर पे या हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट पे हम मारते हैं, जो मारने से उसमें का हस्क बाहर गिरता, ग्रेन्स बाहर गिरती है और हस्क अलग निकल जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज थ्रेशिंग. सी अ पिक्चर इज अबाउट द विनोइंग, इट इज़ गिवन हाउ दोज लेबर्स आर थ्रेशिंग. मैन्युअली थ्रेशिंग जो होता है, नाउअडेज टेक्निकली वी आर इम्प्रूव्ड, सो हम लाइक बड़ी बड़ी मशीन्स यूज़ करते हैं थ्रेशिंग्स के लिए, बट बिफोर इट इज़ इन नाउ ऑल्सो इट इज़ कैरिड बीटिंग द स्टॉक ऑन अ हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट थ्रेशिंग. इस तरह से अपना वो सब्सटेंस वहाँ से सेपरेट करते हैं, जो भी स्टॉक में से अनाज अलग करते हैं, दैट इज़ सेपरेटिंग द सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम स्टॉक, राइट? जो भी अपना जो स्टॉक है वहाँ से अलग कर दिया, ऑलराइट. Next is sieving. Sieving is done each and everywhere, as you can see, right? An example from your kitchen. Sieving, that is if your mother is making chapatis, right? First of all she'll take a flour and with the sieve she starts sieving. Means what? क्या कर रही होगी वो? Means जो भी आपकी छन्नी होती है आटा छानने की, that is the sieving process. Sieving, the method of separating particles of different sizes with the help of sieve. So आपने बड़ी जो कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट होते हैं वहाँ पे भी सीविंग होता है. मेटेलिक sieve is there. With that they separate the big sands from the whatever the small sands or whatever the mud they want, they separate it like this way. This is the process of sieving. Till here I hope everybody are clear with this. So this is the yellow side as we have discussed one by one. Now separation of solid. This is about the solid. Solid means जो भी hard substance होता है वो निकालना. But separation of insoluble solid substance from the liquid. अभी जो pink part पे, just see in your textbook, pink part पे आओ. Separation of insoluble means जो उसमें घुलता नहीं है. अगर पानी में आप पत्थर डालोगे, पत्थर कैसे घुलेगा? नहीं घुलेगा. पानी में आप सैंड डालोगे, कैसे घुलेगा? नहीं घुलेगा. अगर आप मिल्क में गेहूँ डालोगे तो घुलेगा नहीं, वो नीचे जाके बैठ जाएगा. सो हाउ टू सेपरेट दैट? पानी में से वो कैसे निकाला जाए, पानी में से सैंड कैसे निकाला जाए, पानी में से मड कैसे निकाला जाए, दैट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. क्लियर? So for homework I would like to give you, see activity is given on your page number 28. Activity 1. Some are the substances given: sugar, wheat grain, soil, ghee, tomato soup, tea leaves. These are the substances, and that you have to do it as a homework, and just read once whatever the definition, whatever the explanation I have given with your textbook. That's it for today.